All right, first run of the day. So excited. Let's go!
Happy hour. I'm Dave, the basement bartender. Après-ski is so much more than a social activity.
I'm ready for a drink.
It's a lifestyle, it's a culture, and it's an excuse to drink. And it's one of the reasons I'm here in Crested Butte, Colorado, in single-digit temperatures, hitting the slopes and hitting the local drinkeries. But what I'm really here for is the after-ski lifestyle known as après-ski. So let's get this thing started. Après-ski is French for after ski, but it means so much more to avid skiers.
You don't mind if I take Heather out for some fondue tonight, do you?
Sorry, Stan. It's just that when it comes to skiing, Tad has all the right moves.
After the lifts close, the bars open, and the drinks flow. But let's face it, skiing is not a cheap hobby. So if I can help you save a few bucks, then you can afford to boop the like button. It's free, you know. So here's how I enjoy my après-ski afternoon on the cheap. 1. Bring your own booze. Ski resorts are known to jack up the prices. So a quick stop at your local liquor store before heading out is an absolute must. 2. Use what the hotel provides. Coffee and tea are standard. If they aren't available in the room, just ask the front desk. And if they offer room service, they probably have maple syrup, which is a great sweetener. 3. Splurge a little for an in-room kitchenette. Even if you can't get a stovetop, a microwave and a fridge is a game changer. So let's make what I'm calling the Après-Whiskey. On a stovetop, heat 1 can of coconut milk to about 200 degrees. Not quite boiling, but too hot to touch. Cut the heat, add 2 bags of hotel-provided Earl Grey Tea, and let steep for 15 minutes. Add 1 ounce of maple syrup, 2 ounces of your favorite bourbon. I'm using Trader Joe's Winter Wheat Bourbon, and 1 ounce of Pritchard's Sweet Lucy Cream. Sweet Lucy might be a little hard to find, but trust me, you'll be glad you found it. It's a bourbon liqueur that is absolutely fantastic. The cream version is a little softer, but just as flavorful. With heavy orange and cinnamon flavors, it's a fantastic addition to any winter cocktail. The story goes that the Pritchard family were avid duck hunters, but being very religious, it was a no-foul language hunt. When one of the hunters took a swig of Benjamin Pritchard's home-infused whiskey liqueur, the only words that would suffice are, "Sweet Lucy." And of course, the Sweet Lucifer version will add some spicy notes that will take it in a whole new direction. Pour into 2 mugs and garnish with, well, I'm in a hotel, so garnish with the views. It's warm, it's flavorful, and it's the perfect drink to warm up after a long day of skiing. If you've made it this far in the video, boop the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And let me know in the comments what your favorite après-ski cocktail is. Please drink responsibly. We'll see you next time.